If your app store show this issue when you install app in your Apple mobile or Apple tab. How to solve this issue? Let's start the video. But if are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start the video. When you are see that issue happen, when you are installed any app, you put your password on sign in option. Enter your password and sign in. When you click the sign in, the process will be done and your app will be installed, but this issue will come that show the review. Then we click the review for Apple iTunes store. When you click, remember one thing: if you are use mobile data or mobile hotspot, then it's also be happen. Select your country and choose PTCL Wi-Fi data for better experience. Then first of all, select your country and choose Wi-Fi PTCL data and agree term and condition. Select your country, agree term and condition, and next, and fill this option: your name, your street, your data, each and everything. When you fill this, like street, street number, street, city, and mobile phone number, put your data on this type and click the done option. When you click the done option, then you see continue, Apple ID completed, and select continue. When you select continue, you see here any type of app you can download easily. So your issue has been solved. Check document and get installed for document and install password and sign in. Okay, now see here, when I am click sign in, the app wait and okay, the issue has been solved. I know you like this video. If you like this video, press the bell icon for more update and like the video and do comment.